Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for the HP ProBook 4550G10. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to maintain your laptop effectively, ensuring it runs smoothly and stays within warranty. Let's get started. First, gather the tools you will need for this maintenance task. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components of your laptop safely. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the device. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is essential to prevent any electrical issues while you work on the device. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. There are typically around 8 to 10 screws, so ensure you keep track of each one. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. At this point, it's important to clean the internal parts to prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain proper airflow and cooling. Remember to hold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup. After cleaning, take your microfiber cloth and gently wipe down any surfaces that may have accumulated dust. This not only helps with aesthetics, but also ensures that your laptop remains in good working condition. If you notice any components that seem loose or out of place, now is the time to address them. Tighten any screws that may have come loose during use. If you're unsure about any repairs, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify any issues without any pressure to commit to repairs. Once you've completed the cleaning and inspection, carefully reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the threads. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug your laptop back in. Power it on and check to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your HP ProBook 4550G10. If you find that you don't have the tools or time to perform this maintenance yourself, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid the hassle of calls and travel, making it easier to keep your laptop in top shape. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following along with this maintenance guide. Keeping your HP ProBook 4550G10 in excellent condition is essential for its longevity and performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.